Ever wonder what it's like to hold a credit card so exclusive you can't even apply for it? A card that offers access to private jets, 5-star hotels, VIP events, and luxury concierge services around the world. These aren't your everyday credit cards. They're ultra-premium cards built for the elite. Reserved for the wealthy, these cards come with sky-high annual fees, but unlock travel perks, priority access, and custom experiences most people can only dream. From the Amex Centurion to the JP Morgan Reserve, these cards represent status, privilege, and power in a single, sleek piece of metal. Climbing the credit card ladder is more than just swiping plastic. It's a smart strategy for building credit, earning rewards, and unlocking financial opportunities that can change your life. Whether you're a student just starting out or someone looking to level up to luxury perks and elite cards, understanding how to navigate the credit card system is key to long-term financial success. Most people think of credit cards as tools for spending, but when used wisely, they become tools for wealth building. They help establish credit history, boost your credit score, and earn rewards that can cover everything from groceries to first-class flights. But to reach those elite benefits, you have to start at the bottom and work your way up, one card at a time. At the entry level, you'll find beginner-friendly cards like secured credit cards and student credit cards. These are designed for people with little or no credit history. A secured credit card requires a refundable deposit that becomes your credit limit, usually around $200 to $500. This lowers the risk for lenders while giving you a real credit card to use. Use it responsibly, pay it off in full each month, and keep your credit utilization low, and it will report positive activity to the credit bureaus, helping you build your credit score. A good example is the Discover It R secured credit card, which not only helps build credit, but also offers rewards, like 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants and 1% on everything else. Another solid option is the Capital One secured MasterCard R, which allows credit line increases after 5 on-time payments without extra deposits. Then there are student credit cards, designed specifically for college students. These cards usually have lower limits and easier approval, but still offer real rewards. The Journey Student Rewards card from Capital One gives you 1% cash back on all purchases, with a 25% bonus each month you pay on time. And the Discover It R student cashback card offers 5% cashback in rotating categories like gas stations, Amazon, and restaurants, plus 1% on everything else, and cashback match in the first year. Once you've used your starter card responsibly for 6 to 12 months, it's time to upgrade. This is where credit card laddering begins. You move on to better, more rewarding cards like cashback or travel cards that suit your lifestyle. For example, if you spend heavily on groceries or gas, choose a card that gives high percentages in those categories. If you travel often, look into travel rewards cards that earn points or miles. At the mid-tier level, cards like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or Citi Custom Cash offer more robust rewards and higher limits. These cards often come with no annual fee and can provide hundreds of dollars in cashback every year if used strategically. Next comes the premium tier. These are for people with strong credit and consistent responsible usage. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred Armor or Capital One Venture Rewards offer sign-up bonuses, 2x, 5x points on travel and dining, and even trip cancellation insurance. They're ideal for people who travel often or dine out regularly. While they come with annual fees, the benefits like extra points, rental car coverage, and travel insurance often outweigh the costs. And then, at the top of the ladder are the ultra-premium credit cards. These are invite-only or reserved for high-income individuals with stellar credit. Think American Express Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, or the ultra-exclusive Amex Centurion card, aka the Black Card. These come with steep annual fees, sometimes over $500, but include airport lounge access, concierge service, luxury hotel perks, and massive point earning potential. But remember, with greater rewards come greater responsibility. To fully benefit from climbing the credit card ladder, you must never carry a balance. Interest rates on credit cards are sky high, often above 20%. Even a small unpaid balance can quickly snowball into unmanageable debt. Always aim to pay your full balance on time every month. Another critical factor is your credit utilization ratio, how much of your available credit you're using. Try to stay below 30%, or better yet, under 10%. So if you have a $5,000 limit, keep your balance under $500 to show lenders that you're a low-risk borrower. If your utilization is too high, pay early or ask for a credit limit increase. Don't forget to monitor your card's rotating categories, bonus offers, and promotional deals. Issuers frequently change reward structures, and staying informed lets you capitalize on those shifts. You can also stack rewards with shopping portals, dining programs, and special offers. As you build credit and move up the ladder, avoid applying for too many cards at once. Each hard inquiry slightly lowers your score, so be strategic. Space out your applications and always apply for cards that align with your goals. Lastly, don't cancel your oldest cards unless you absolutely have to. Credit history length makes up 15% of your FICO score. Keep older accounts open to help boost your average age of credit even if you don't use them much. In conclusion, climbing the credit card ladder is a powerful way to build a solid credit history, earn amazing rewards, and enjoy financial freedom. Start with the basics, use your cards wisely, and level up over time. With discipline, knowledge, and the right strategy, that small piece of plastic can take you from your first secured card to luxury lounges and world-class perks. So take control of your financial future, one swipe at a time. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on personal finance, credit building, and maximizing rewards. Let us help you turn everyday spending into extraordinary opportunities. Most beginner credit cards, including secured and student options, don't require high credit scores. Secured cards usually don't even consider your score, since your deposit reduces the issuer's risk. Student cards may ask for some form of income or a low minimum credit score, but they're far easier to get approved for than standard cards. Ultra-premium credit cards represent the highest level of exclusivity and luxury in the credit card industry. These cards are not typically available through a standard online application. Instead, they're often invite-only and reserved for high-net-worth individuals who meet specific financial and lifestyle benchmarks. Approval usually depends on factors like income, spending habits, and an existing relationship with the issuing bank. What makes these cards so exclusive isn't just the application process, it's the experience that comes with them. Ultra-premium card holders enjoy benefits far beyond basic travel rewards or cash back. These include access to more than 1,300 airport lounges globally, elite status with luxury hotel programs, personal concierge services, and travel credits worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Some cards also offer extras like private airport transfers, VIP concert tickets, and curated travel experiences. The annual fees for these cards are steep, often starting around $500, 0 cents, and going up to $5,000, 0 cents or more. But for the right user, someone who travels frequently, spends heavily in select categories, and takes full advantage of the benefits, the value can far outweigh the cost. In many cases, just the travel perks alone, such as lounge access, airline fee credits, and automatic hotel upgrades, can add up to more than the card's annual fee. A well-known example is the American Express Centurion card, also called the Black Card. It's one of the most exclusive credit cards in the world and requires a reported $10,000 initiation fee and a $5,000 annual fee. Cardholders gain access to top-tier travel perks, a 24/7 concierge service that can handle anything from last-minute dinner reservations to sourcing rare luxury items and even personalized travel planning assistance. It's not just about spending power, it's about prestige and access. Another ultra-premium offering is the JP Morgan Reserve Card, which is only available to clients with at least $10 million in assets under management with JP Morgan Private Bank. It shares many benefits with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, such as 3x points on travel and dining, priority pass lounge access, and a $300 annual travel credit, but with added exclusivity and a more personal touch through private client service. One of the most extreme examples is the Dubai First Royale MasterCard. This card is invitation only and reserved for royals and ultra-wealthy elites in the Middle East. It features the gold trim and a real diamond embedded in the center. The credit limit is reportedly unlimited, and the perks are custom-tailored to each cardholder, including access to private jets, super yachts, and concierge experiences that go far beyond traditional offerings. Ultra-premium credit cards aren't for everyone, but they are built to serve a specific group of high spenders and frequent travelers who expect the absolute best. They deliver luxury, convenience, and elite access in ways that no other financial product can match. Beyond the glitz and glamour, these cards are built for serious utility. They typically come with extensive travel insurance, priority booking services, zero foreign transaction fees, and premium customer support. Concierge services are available 24/7 and can handle everything from booking a last-minute table at a five-star restaurant to planning a custom vacation itinerary. The popular ultra-premium cards include the American Express Centurion card, widely known as the Black Card, which offers unparalleled service, high credit limits, and personal account managers. Another is the JP Morgan Reserve card, available exclusively to JP Morgan private bank clients. It provides similar elite travel perks, impressive earning potential on spending, and unmatched customer support. In conclusion, ultra-premium credit cards are not for everyone, but for the select few who qualify, they offer a lifestyle of privilege, efficiency, and comfort. These cards serve as both a financial tool and a gateway to a more luxurious way of life. As we wrap up this video, we've explored the four main tiers of credit cards: beginner, mid-tier, premium, and ultra-premium. Each level comes with unique features, from helping you build your first credit score to unlocking travel perks that most people only dream about. The key to mastering your credit journey is understanding where you stand now and knowing which tier can take you further toward your financial goals. Whether you're starting out with a secured card or working your way up to elite rewards programs, make every swipe count. With the right knowledge and strategy, your credit cards can be powerful tools to earn rewards, build wealth, and open doors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their credit game. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.